What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about a position that will potentially burn a zero or drop a zero a lot sooner than a lot of other positions that are out there. While people are always talking about how SHIB can drop a zero, how Terra Luna Classic can drop a zero, how this next position can drop a zero, it's always a position that's at 0.00000001 or whatever it is. It's at one, which would need an essentially a 10x return to drop a zero. And when we look at some positions that are closer to the point to where they could drop a zero, like Jasmy Coin, um, we're not really, that's not really in the conversation, even though it is great to see it drop a zero and to see the progression from there, is always going to be great. And this is the first step to many steps to where Jasmy Coin can get to. So I wanted to go through a little bit of an update with you guys today, as well as look through a price prediction that is set by Coin Market Cap. I'm not sure who wrote the article, but we can always look into that. But there's definitely a lot of information within that. I just want to go through one section of it, though. But anyways, guys, we're going to talk about Jasmy Coin today, break down the price, break down a little bit of an update, because it's always great to have an update on a position that some of you do hold. Now, remember, all of this that I say is not financial advice. I'm not trying to do this to just protect myself. I'm doing this to protect you. You should look into the position and do a lot of research into a position on whether you're going to invest, and if you're going to invest a lot of money versus a little bit of money versus a dollar cost average down strategy or whatever it is. I want you guys to be able to make that decision for yourself, and don't come to me just to give you guys an opinion on when, or a clear direction on when you should make a decision and where you should make a decision at. So make sure you guys do a ton of research as well outside of what I'm telling you here today. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description. That really helps out the channel, especially the Patreon. If you guys want to sign up for that and be a part of it, I do appreciate anybody that supports the Patreon, anybody that comes over to the Discord group, anybody that reaches out to me privately. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. But anyways, like I said, let's talk about Jasmy Coin. Currently, it's at 0.000 or 0.007134. Now, this is 71% of a penny. It's been kind of green or flat lately, while you see the rest of the market that's not really flowing in the most positive direction, right? You can see a lot of new positions that flow in more of a negative direction, like Pepe, that has dropped by 50%, or 40% or whatever, and seeing other positions like Ethereum dropping 5%, Bitcoin dropping 5%, 6%, Terra Luna Classic, Shiba Inu dropping quite a bit. But you see Jasmy Coin hover in the same place. And it's been, seeing some pretty green momentum here. You can see here today it's at 2% up at that 71% of a penny, almost 72% of a penny. But again, we talk about all these other positions like Terra Luna Classic, like Shiba Inu, like Pepe Coin, and talk about how if it drops 1-0, what would that be? Well, honestly, we want to see those drop a zero, because that would be a 10x return on all of those positions that are at 0.00001, 0.00001, 0.0000001, or whatever, right? It would be a 10x return as they do drop a zero. For this, it would basically only be a 30% return, maybe even a little bit less than that, or maybe a little bit more than that, sorry, because of the fact that it is a little bit lower. It would be a 30% return if it was going up 0.003, and it was already at 0.01 or 1 cent. But we're very, very close to dropping that zero, and I honestly think that it will happen. Now, predictions that are out there say otherwise. It's not going to happen anytime soon, but I see the amount of people that are getting into this play. I see the amount of volume that's getting into it. I see the potential, the popularity rising as time goes on, while everything else is really, either falling, heavily, or falling somewhat. And Jasmy Coin is just there, either flat or increasing to certain levels. We've seen this up at a level of 80% of a penny, And now we're trying to break the 90% of a penny, the 1 penny mark, which I think people will sell at, because that is a point to where people double their money. And it would be a point to where I double my money as well when it does get to those points. But anyways, the market cap is at $340 million, which I believe so much more growth from there, especially within the sector, the Internet of Things sector, and understanding what that's all about. The 24-hour volume, you're looking at $86 million. Circulating supply, 47.5 billion coins, and the total supply of 50 billion coins. If we look at the over the last day, we can see how this was consolidating, and now we're starting to see a pretty decent sized push, and even up to here, right, creating a higher high and a higher low. If it can find a way to surpass this level, then we can get to a level where we try and really push past this level. This is kind of a double top scenario, creating more of a bearish creating bearish activity. But then we have that descending W, which if we could break that, we have a more of an ascending or more bullish mark, or more bullish territory that is there. Well, anyways, let's go through this article here. We're going to go through a price prediction here. Jasmy enjoyed a great start to the year 2023, taking off at 0.002945 and gaining 184% to reach 0.0083, so 83% of a penny on February 8th. The token got dragged down to 0.004 or 43% of a penny with the entire market in March after an impressive surge in February. However, Jasmy has recorded some gains again in April 2023, a 2-month high of 73% of a penny. The token is currently trading above 55% of a penny, which obviously right now it's trading a lot higher than that. Could we see a further downside, perhaps to retest the 15s, the April 15th price? Here's a short term and long term Jasmy Coin price prediction. As you see down here, you're going to see 2023, they have a minimum of 0.008. A maximum of 0.009. Now, I think that we're going to see it get up to 1 penny, and it's going to retrace, because 1 penny is a significant point, right? People can double their money, they can triple their money. Where you invested, you could possibly even 5x your money at some of those points. So it's definitely a level where I believe it's going to get to, but they have it at 0.009 or 90% of a penny. 2024, they have it at 1.1 cents to 1.3 cents. 2025, they're being very, very conservative with all of this. 1.5 cents to 1.8 cents, all the way to 2027, 3.1 cents to 3.7 cents. 2029, 6.5 cents to 7.9 cents. Then you go down to 2031, 13 to 16 cents, then 19 to 23 cents in 2032. So they really break down the fact that they believe that these are going to get to these levels. Showing based off of history and what we have seen, but you understand that we have more volume that's going to flow into the crypto market. We have more interest within Jasmy Coin, and we've seen that as of the latest times. And also, they don't really have the most up-to-date information to see where things are, because we currently have risen to 0.008 or 80% of a penny, pushing that way past its limits, pushing that way past a certain level. So my honest opinion with the price prediction is that this is definitely more conservative to kind of save their ass, for lack of a better term. But I think we're going to see a lot more growth in a shorter period of time than this. It's not going to take 10 years. It's not going to, or sorry, 7 years for it to get to 10 cents. I think it's going to happen a lot sooner. We're going to see it really, really push up. And this is just based off maybe standard growth without factoring in lockups, but also not factoring in rises in interest. And that's what you have with Jasmy Coin. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. But I'm going to get out of here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.